Hi, and welcome back to Core Tutorials. This video will provide instruction on how to create a site legal register or checklist that is customized to a site's operating profile. Creating a site in the core system is the first step in preparing a legal register or checklist for that site. We recommend first viewing the tutorial titled Creating a Site before continuing with this one. But before we begin, let's briefly discuss why a company would want to prepare a site legal register and audit checklist. Site legal registers and audit checklists are key elements to any EHS management system or performance strategy. A legal register lists the EHS legal requirements that apply to a site, demonstrates the site management's knowledge of their legal requirements, is a resource to access the applicable legislation, and a routinely updated register fulfills management system requirements to continually monitor applicable EHS legislation. An audit checklist is a tool to assess a site's compliance with their applicable EHS legal requirements, as well as to identify, manage, and monitor corrective actions to non-compliances and support a continual improvement plan. They are also used as a resource for compliance guidance. Now that we understand the importance of these resources, let's move on to learning how to create them from an already existing site. Scroll over to the green banner and click on the pull-down menu Sites. From there, click on List Sites. Select the drop-down menu and click on the country where the site is located. In our Creating Sites tutorial video, we made a site that is located in Germany. We will continue to use that one here. Locate your site name and click it to go to the site data page. Click on the tab titled Screening Questions and then click on Add Screening Questions. When this workflow box appears, you have reached the Answer Questions step of the process. You must provide a title to each of your answers. We suggest using the date that you answer the question as the title in order to provide context for the answers. Be sure to click on the Save button here to move on to the next step. This green bar confirms that your screening questions have been successfully added. You will now see a number displayed on the Screening Questions tab that tells the user how many sets of questions have been added to the site. To open the questions, click on the title of the question that you would like to view. This screen provides the user the option to edit, answer, or delete the questions listed below. Let's answer them now. From this screen, you can now begin answering the screening questions. Click on the Yes, No, or Maybe buttons to answer each question. The software system will automatically build your site legal register and/or checklist based on your answers. Note that some questions have guide notes to define terms used in the question. You must answer all of the questions before your site legal register and/or checklist will be presented. Don't forget to click Save to save your answers into the system. Keep in mind that you can partially answer the questions and come back at any time to finish your progress. Once all the questions have been answered, this screen will present you with a summary of your questions and answers. If you see any answers that you wish to change, click on the Answer button here, and you will be taken back to the previous screen to change your responses. Once you are satisfied with your answers, click on the Create Register button. You will now notice that there is both a Site Legal Register tab and a Site Checklist tab. Both tabs have a 1 next to their title, indicating that there is one Site Legal Register and one checklist on this site. To view either of these documents, simply click on the corresponding tab. Let's take a look at the Site Legal Register that we just created. Click on the Site Legal Register tab, and then the title of your legal register to open it. The last step in integrating your site legal register is to accept it from this screen. Here's the button to do so. If you would like to modify a register before you have accepted it, you can click Edit Register here. However, if the register has already been accepted, you must use the Update button in this workflow box to make your changes. The information listed below is the legal register that you developed for the site by answering the screening questions about the site's operations. You can use this screen to interact with your register data in a few different ways, including viewing, filtering, sorting, and reporting the register data. We encourage you to view the training on accessing and viewing a legal register for more information. I've put the link to that video in the description below. In this training, we have learned how to select an existing site, how to add and answer a set of screening questions to the site, as well as how to go back and edit the answers later, and how to edit, view, and accept the site legal register or checklist. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video.